Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up Sparrow Wallet seed phrase. When you create a wallet in Sparrow Wallet, it generates 12 word or the 24 word seed phrase, and this seed phrase is the master key to your Bitcoin. It allows you to restore your wallet on another computer, recover funds if your PC crashes, and access your Bitcoin anytime in the future. So if you lose this phrase, you lose the access to your Bitcoin permanently. So backing it up properly is extremely important. And over here, open to your Sparrow Wallet, go to your files and go to the setting over here. Over here, you need to connect to this hardware here and select to the scan. After that, and Sparrow will open to you. See, the seed is only shown on your hardware device when you first set it up. And if you are not using a hardware wallet like the Ledger or the Trezor, in that case, Sparrow does not store your seed. The seed is only shown on your hardware device when you first set it up. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.